everybody. I'm here today to talk to you about a carpet that is not fluffy anymore. I'll be showing you and telling you specifically how to make it fluffy again in this very simplistic tutorial. Let's get right into the video. I'll be outlining 3 simple methods that you can use to refluffify your carpet. For lack of better words, refluffify it. I'm going to coin that term right now. Refluffify your carpet. This is how you do it. The first method is to clean it thoroughly. Now, if it has been a long time since you cleaned your carpet, it's probably due for a cleaning anyways. Now, what I have done, instead of paying someone to clean my carpets, I actually bought a carpet cleaner. And it costs, I think it was about 250 bucks Canadian, the one that I got, give or take. But essentially, the first time that I used it to clean all of my carpets and my cars, it paid itself off multiple times. Because I would have had to pay someone several $100s to clean all of the carpets, the rugs, and the cars, and you know, the interiors of the cars, and blah blah blah. I specifically got it because we were going to sell my wife's car, and we were going to pay to get it detailed. The detailing job was going to cost about 300 bucks. So I said, I'll buy the carpet cleaner for 250 roughly, and then essentially, if I use it to detail the entire car, along with, you know, all like doing stuff by hand, then it's paid itself off because I saved 300 from having to pay a detailer, and I paid 250. So essentially, if you are hesitant to clean your carpets because of the cost, just go buy a carpet cleaner. It's worth it. If you have multiple carpets, totally worth it. So essentially, how is this going to refluffify your carpet? Sometimes the oils that end up on the carpet, okay, from your body, from your head, especially if you're bald like me, from your food, whatever the case is, the oils and the sort of the fats from the food and stuff like that, they dampen down the fibers of the carpet because they clump them together, which pushes them down. You want to clean it to sort of open them up again and refluffify them. So clean your carpet. You wouldn't believe the wonders that it does in terms of refluffifying it, okay? If that doesn't help you out, or if you just recently cleaned it, then you're going to move on to the second method, which is to spray it with water. Now, don't like completely douse it. I guess that's the word I'm looking for, douse it with water. Don't douse it with water. Don't just put a lot of water on it. You want to spray it to mist it, essentially. You want to mist it with water, then get a blow dryer and blow dry that area. And then you want to either use, sorry about that, either use a comb or a brush or your fingers to sort of rub the carpet fibers to refluffify them, okay? Now, you should clean your carpet before you do this, because the moment you start doing this, right? If your carpet is dirty, all that dust is going to go everywhere. So if you clean your carpet first and then use method number 2, which is to mist it, blow dry it, and then immediately fluff it up with your fingers or a comb or a brush or anything that's rough like that, you're going to have the best effect, okay? And if that doesn't help you out, move on to step or method number 3, which is actually to use a powerful vacuum and vacuum the carpet. When you vacuum the carpet, number 1, it's going to remove the dirt, debris, some of the oils and so forth. But number 2, if you're using the right vacuum with the right amount of power, it's going to pull those fibers up, raise them up again, and make it look fluffy again. Now, you know, for myself, I vacuum the carpets about once a week. Myself for my wife, one of us vacuums the carpets about once a week, pretty thoroughly, and we've never had a problem with the fibers. The fibers are always fluffy. So as long as you vacuum it regularly, number 1, it's going to remove those oils before they have a chance to pat down and sort of clump up the carpet fibers. And number 2, it's going to keep it clean and to pull those fibers up, which will just keep it fluffy. It'll prevent it from really dulling down. That's essentially it. If your carpet is not fluffy anymore, that's how to make it fluffy again in a very simplistic tutorial. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.